Yeah. Well, this 2 days expired. But you know what? I'm gonna take that off that expiration date. They won't even know the difference. All right, we got that one right there. All right. Oh, this stuff getting expensive up in here. I hope they got a loan application up there. I need some of that to buy just regular groceries. I wonder if they'll price match off Craigslist. I got a coupon for that one? No, I don't think I do. I wonder if they give me an employee discount if I do self-checkout. I'm doing all the work. Why shouldn't I get a discount? That only makes sense. I don't know, man. I wonder if I could go out and sell some of these coupons in the parking lot, make some extra cut money off that way. Got $2 off coupon selling for $1. I wonder if that'll work. I don't know. We'll find out though. This stuff's just a ridiculous amount of money. Give me a discount for open container. That'd be awesome. Scratch and dent, scratch and drink. Oh Lord, this stuff. $10 for some toilet paper? Lord, make me want to invest in a bidet. It's ridiculous. Good Lord, that's a lot of money for some toilet paper. Shoot, I know teenagers, they ain't gonna be TPing nobody's house. It costs too much. Smart water. No, the smart thing would find out how to make some more money on the side because it's ridiculous right now. Woo. Lord, Lord, Lord. $23.99. I wonder if I could take this $6.99 one and just move it on over there to that one. And I wonder if they see if they even find out if I did that or not. I don't know. Gotta figure out something to do here. Where's the store brand detergent? Because I'm trying to tell you this. I'm just trying to wash some clothes. I ain't trying to like mine for gold. $26.99 for some detergent. And we might have to go back in the day and just take a bar of soap and a scrubby. Oh Lord, Lord. Where's the store brand detergent? Is it even store brand detergent? Ah, there we go. Yeah. All right, we got the bleach right here. You know, this is almost the size of that coconut oil that I got the other day. Yeah, that'll work right there. Yeah, put that in there. That name brand. How is it? $4.89 for that, but it's $6.99 for the regular. Oh, Lord, I can't even deal. I wonder if they ever like a buy one get 10 free discount day. That's what we need right there. I wonder if they got like a triple coupon day. Cascade Pour. Can I get that? Cascade Platinum too much. Quantum. There we go. $3.99. That's what I'm talking about. Lord, Lord, Lord. $1.99. I mean, the kids probably go overuse it, but I wonder if I take it and put like little cups of it, like little plastic cups of how much this thing you can use for your detergent when you sit there and do dishes. That's what I'm gonna do right there. All right, let's see here. Candles. We might have to start investing in some dollar store candles because the electricity bill out the roof too. It's crazy. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. Go old school. We're gonna be the only Amish people on the block. Hey, it's too good. Lord, gold. It might be made with real gold. I don't know, but I can't do that right now. Oh, white vinegar. Yeah, I heard that was really good for cleaning. Maybe we could do that instead of dishwashing or dish detergent. This stuff, we might have to work that out. I'm sure there's something on YouTube for that. We'll look that up. All right. Oh, we got the big bottles for $1.79. That's more like it. Right next to the stuff for $3.99. I don't know what the difference is, but I'll tell you because I wanted to do coupons on generics. We'll figure that out up there. Hey, I know some places, they offer like a discount for like self-checkout. You got anything like that? Like if you do self-checkout, you get a discount?
Not for self-checkout.
No? Is there any way let's get a discount that you know of? Like disability discount, anything like that? They got anything like that?
I'm not sure.
How you gonna charge $10 for some nuts? They're literally nuts. They come off a tree. Oh, Lord, Lord.